Alright, in this video I'm going to describe about how to use ChatGPT. Many of us use daily ChatGPT. So it's how can we use ChatGPT effectively? So you have a question in your mind that yeah, I use ChatGPT. Yeah, I started my journey with ChatGPT a long days or months ago. So I cannot I cannot conversation with ChatGPT effectively. So how is possible? Well, I would say I would like to say that if you want to say something with ChatGPT like I need short story to speak practicing. So I have to say that ChatGPT, I'm English beginner. I need short story with easy words and to uh, a L A1 levels. He will be give me some short easy conversation, easy actually a story and easy way A1 level. Then I can easily study, I can easily read aloud loudly, and I can easily listen. I can easily listen from ChatGPT voice. So it's very necessary and it's very easy for us. So we need only interest first of all. Then uh, we need to actually do something. We have to interest, and we have to practice. We have to stay consistency. Then if you want to like if you want to uh, if you want to like you are a YouTuber, you need to skip. So what is your favorite topic? You have to write down, and uh, you have to say that I want to this that. Then you have to say I will be make video about this topic. I need is this one. Then ChatGPT will give you very easily this kind of actually uh, answer, this kind of question answer, and you can take easily from ChatGPT this kind of answer. Well, like this way, I try to help from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT also helped me a lot. To be honest, ChatGPT also helped me a lot, and I am trying every day use ChatGPT for good, for learn something new, for uh, for learn something new, for learn actually achieve something from ChatGPT. ChatGPT really, he is my real English practice partner, and he's not practice partner. He helped a lot of way. Really, I'm so serious for ChatGPT. I'm so curious for ChatGPT. It's very helpful tools for us, we can say. And on the other hand, if you are a student, you should definitely use ChatGPT 100%, because you can, if you feel hard situation or any problem, instant you can take emails on your books. Then you can search from ChatGPT what is your problem, and what kind of solution do you want. ChatGPT will give answer very very fastly. And if you do something from online, if you do business or job, anything, if you need help from ChatGPT, uh, if you want to know anything, you can ask anything. You can ask anything, that ChatGPT will be give answer very fastly, very very easily, very you can take any, you can ask anything, you can get answer anything. And it's truly. So yeah, so that's why I'm prepare you that you can use ChatGPT. You should use ChatGPT, and you can do something great from ChatGPT. You can learn from great from ChatGPT. This will be helpful for you, because it's helping for me every day. It's very helpful tools, I can say. And I can say it's very helpful for a student, for a learner who want to learn any skill, not only English language, not only a student. If you want to learn any coding or digital marketing, anything, or if you do anything, you can ask anything, you will be get very fast your solution. So yeah, it's actually my opinion. I just share with you. And what do you think? You can download or not. It's your personal matter. So I just share with you. So thanks for listening. See you in the next video.